Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Mahan, and today I want to present about mobile application development. So, go to the first slide. First slide is about native app development. So, what is definition native app development? Native app development means creating a mobile application that is tailored and dedicated to a specific platform like iOS or Android. So, this is my explanation. Because native applications are built specifically for the operating system, they provide higher user engagement than hybrid apps. Native mobile apps generally perform and look better than their web-based counterparts, which must serve numerous platforms. Furthermore, native mobile applications have access to device hardware and capabilities such as sensor and cameras that are not available via a mobile browser interface alone. So we go to the next slide. So this is about cross-platform app development. So what is cross-platform app development? Cross-platform app development is a cross-platform mobile application is a type of software application that is designed and developed to run on multiple mobile operating systems rather than being exclusive to a single platform. Unlike native apps that are built specifically for a particular platform, cross-platform mobile apps are created to work seamlessly across various platforms such as iOS and Android. The goal is to write code once and deploy in multiple platforms, saving time and effort in the development process. Okay, we go to the types of mobile application. We have six here. So the first one is native app. So what is native app? For the example, for native app is a Facebook for iOS, Instagram for Android. We can see the difference is for iOS and for Android. There are different interface between iOS and Android. So we go to the second one is web apps. So what's example for web apps? The example for web apps is a Twitter mobile, Gmail mobile. Characteristic for web app is they are developed using web technologies such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So the third one is hybrid apps. The name is hybrid, so we can know they are common between native and webs. So example for hybrid app is Airbnb. We can go through their web and go to their application on mobile after downloading. So we go to the number four is progressive web apps. What is progressive web apps? Progressive web apps is a application that provide a native app like experience with the ability to work offline and be installed on device home screen. So the example for progressive web apps is Twitter Lite and Pinterest. You can download from the webs or the Google Play Store or App Store. So the number five is enterprise apps. So the name is enterprise is for a business or organizational purpose. So example for enterprise app is Microsoft Teams. Or other I think is a Salesforce mobile. So we go to the last one is the gaming apps. What is gaming apps? Gaming apps are specifically developed for entertainment and gaming purpose. So example for gaming apps have many. We can see Mobile Legends, PUBG Mobile, and the OG one is Candy Crush. So we go to the pros and cons native app. So the first one pros for native app is Sorry, my bad. So we continue. For the pros for native app is offline functionality. So many native apps can function offline, allowing users to access certain features or content without an internet connection. We can go to the app without using Wi-Fi or mobile data. So the second one is advanced security. Advanced security is can include secure storage of data and adherence to platform-specific security protocol. So many mobile apps have and many native apps have enhanced security. So the third one is optimize performance. So they leverage the full power of the device hardware, resulting in faster and smoother user experience. So for cons for native app, they have they they longer de- there might be longer development time. So building spread version of an app for different platforms can extend the overall development time, especially when compared to cross-platform development where a single code base can be used for multiple platforms. Second one is skill set requirement. So this is may might need to everyone because we have to skill requirement. We have to learn how to make apps using Swift for iOS, Java, or Kotlin for Android, which can limit the pool of available developers. So the last one, cons for native app is limit cross-platform compatibility. Native apps are specific to one platform and spread version need to be developed for each major operating system. So the next slide is pros and cons for hybrid app. Pros hybrid app are cross-platform compatibility. This difference between native app can limited to cross-platform compatibility. The second one is access to native features. Native features such as like cameras, geolocation, and context. And the last for pros for hybrid app is faster development cycle. Hybrid app often have a faster development cycle since developers can use a single code base for multiple platforms. So we go to the cons for hybrid app is the first one is dependence on third-party frameworks. Hybrid app often rely on third-party frameworks or tools which can introduce dependencies and potential compatibility issues. Change or discontinuation of this tool may impact the app. So the second one is limited access to native API. So while hybrid apps can access some native features, they may not have the same level of access as native app. Certain advanced functionalities or hardware features may be challenging to implement. So the lifetime is limited offline functionality. So for hybrid apps, we have to use Wi-Fi or mobile data to use the apps. So pros and cons for the last is for webs app. So same with hybrid apps. The pros is cross-platform compatibility, and the second one is easier maintenance and update. And the third is easy accessibility. So we can know the web app is just we go to the like example we go to the Google and find app from the plat- platform like Google. So the cons is performance constraint. Web apps may not perform as well as native app, especially for complex or resource-intensive tasks. They are constrained by the capabilities of web browser and may not provide the same level of responsiveness. So the second one is limited access to device features. They have they have some cons like native apps. So the last one is browser compatibility issues. Ensuring compatibility across various web browser can be challenging. Developers may need to address different in browser rendering and performance, leading to additional testing and efforts. The developer must to have to check the browser, maybe often to check the web browser. So that is challenging for the developer web app. So the last slide is mobile application development life cycle. We have five. So we go to the first one is planning. So we have what we have to do in plan. We have to define objectives and goal, market research, market research, and define scope and features. So after we have defined objective, research, and define scope and features, we go to the design. So what we do in design, we have got visual representation wireframe and prototypes of the app user interface and user experience. So, and we have to user interface design. We have to design user interface, develop the actual look and feel of the app, including colors, typography, and overall designs. So the third is development. After the design, we have to develop. So we have front-end development. Write the client-side code responsible for the user interface and user experience. After that, we have to use the appropriate programming language based on the target platform. We can use many programming languages such as Swift or Objective-C if we want to for iOS, Java or Kotlin for Android. So after development, we go to the testing. So the testing might be challenging. We have to troubleshooting. We have to find the error. So we have to conduct tests on individual components to ensure they function as expected. We have to make sure the apps can be functionally 100%. So after the testing, we go to the deploy. We go. We have to submission to App Store. We want to the apps go to public so everyone can get the apps. So what we do is submit the apps to the respective app store. We can do Apple App Store or Google Play Store. So after the deploy, we have to do maintenance. So after the everyone get the apps, so we can know the issues and the feedback. So with the issues and feedback, we have to do maintenance. So that's it for my presentation for mobile app development. So thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.